Greetings from TaiyangNews. I am Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. We are at SNEC 2024 Shanghai, which is really the world's largest solar expo. We are at the booth of BAJsolar. The company, of course, very young in PV industry, but is well established in other industry and got attracted. So here, BAJ is going to tell us what is their most important product they are promoting at the show.
Yes, thank you, Stephen. And hello, everyone, and welcome to our BAJsolar booth. And today I'd like to introduce our product with 9R and 48 solar cell. It's particularly for the European market, with the maximum output can reach 455 watt. And as you know, and the TOPCon is dominated the market, especially particularly for the European market, and with higher bifaciality and better output performance than the POC modules. Also, I think BAJsolar will share the market of the global, and we also provide 15 product warranty and 30 years output warranty. And also we also have the we are now discussing and communicating with the reinsurance company, and we can give our customer more profits and more reliability.
So is the product available commercially?
Yes, and this can, as I said before, and we have the solar manufacturers, and we also have the module assemble factories. Now this module is available now, and we can, if the customer have orders, we can manufacture and deliver these modules immediately.
Thank you.